team, and today I'm walking through what I'm proposing for the solution validation for navigation consolidation. So this is the proposal that I'm gonna put together for solution validation, and what I'm gonna do right now is walk through some of the hypotheses and design decisions that uh, got me to this point. So, as we started on this work, it's been heavily influenced by some of the navigation vision done by the analytics team, some issues that are ongoing, such as simplifying the top navigation, global search improvements, and ways to improve and tidy the add new or import button, which is the plus sign. And then most recently, there's been some left nav visual improvements explorations done by the UX Foundation team that has influenced some of my designs today. So this is our current um, top navigation, and the first proposal is to look at consolidating these options so that there's just one big menu. And the idea here is that by doing this, we can surface all the necessary items for users to navigate to different um, aspects of the product without to help discovery of those new items. And the other area that we want to look at is improving the visibility of this plus sign. So we're thinking of going with the new in the plus sign, or just the plus sign alone with and the blue background to make it stand out from the other visual elements that may be on the screen. Also, by consolidating these options here, we actually make room in the middle to potentially surface a global search or to make search seem more global. Currently, it is global, but it's off to the side. The drop-down menu could look something like this, where it surfaces all the different options that are available in one menu. The plus menu is this is a rough guide of what this might look like, but this might be a collaborative effort between the manage import team and growth and the editor team to look at different ways we can improve this. Another way to do the menu dropdown is to also surface recently visited projects. Currently, the space is there at the moment, and it surfaces the frequently visited projects. But this hypothesis here I have is around surfacing recently visited will prove more valuable to people, and removing the search here would force people to jump to this search to search for a project or a group or whatever they may need, which reinforces the idea of a global search. If we select some of the other options on the menu, such as security or milestones, those pages would look respectively like this. So the change is very minimal to these pages as they will look essentially the same, and the functionality to get there is all nested within this menu. There's no more guessing whether you're going to click on the groups or projects or more. And there's just the menu button. So we extend this out a bit further and take a look at the menu and the context area. At the moment, this is used to represent whether it's the security or milestone or the project name. One idea I have is to even simplify this further, is to put that together with the option here. And this therefore clears up more things in the top nav and keeps the focus of context switching to this single area in the top left hand corner. If we take this and explore this further with some of the inspiration from Jeremy in the UX Foundation team looking at the sidebar in North Star exploration. It could look something like this, where you clicking on this top menu will open up a search area, select a menu. So this is your project groups, activity milestones, and snippets, and also your recently visited projects because you're in the project context right now. If you are in a group, then it'll surface those recently visited groups there. That's an idea. If you select security, security has its own menu, so it'll look something like this. Milestones is a edge case because those is a giant page, like full screen page. So it doesn't have any menu items, but something that could be surfaced would be the recently viewed milestones to help people jump back to where they needed to go to quickly. So that's what the solution validation is looking at, is going from the current page that we have right now with project groups and more, and then consolidating those options into the one menu button and opening up the projects, the menu selections to the different areas in the product like this. This is a little bit drastic as for a solution validation, but I want to understand the intent and what people are looking for, because we can always go with a small viable change, which is to introduce something like this. But as a vision intent, I wanted to see if this is something that would work, and this is why I would put this forward as something to be tested. Thank you.